Hey everyone, it's Hassam here. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of video editing on Android devices. If you're a content creator or someone who loves capturing moments on their smartphone, you're in the right place. With the advancement of technology, it's incredible how much you can achieve with just a smartphone in your hand. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, these apps will help you unleash your creativity and enhance your videos like never before. We'll be showcasing some of the best tools available for editing videos right on your Android device. So let's get started. First up on our list is CapCut. CapCut, the official video editing and creation app for TikTok users, is owned by ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok itself. If you're an avid TikTok creator, this app is worth exploring. It offers a range of features such as slow motion effects, stabilizing footage, chroma key functionality to remove specific colors from videos, and the ability to add auto captions for a global audience. CapCut consistently introduces new filters on a weekly basis, allowing you to stay up to date with the latest trends. You'll find popular effects like blur, glitch, and 3D that enable you to showcase your creativity. Although primarily designed for TikTok, the app allows you to adjust the format to suit other social media platforms as well. Next, we have PowerDirector. For those who prefer a more traditional video editing experience, PowerDirector is the recommended choice. This app provides a comprehensive set of features, including a built-in stock library and over 4,300 customizable templates that enable you to create videos quickly and efficiently. With PowerDirector, you can utilize the video stabilizer to correct shaky footage, apply various effects, precisely control color and saturation levels, and much more. Additionally, the developers have recently introduced a portrait editing mode to enhance your editing options. By subscribing to PowerDirector Premium, you gain access to a vast collection of royalty-free photos from Shutterstock, expanding your creative resources and possibilities. Our third recommendation is InShot. InShot primarily caters to influencers and provides a wide range of features to help you create trendy video clips. Whether you're looking for basic or advanced editing tools, this app has got you covered. You can easily trim videos, control the playback speed, apply the rewind effect, create engaging slideshows, and even utilize AI-powered body effects. These effects are specifically designed to recognize the human body and add unique AI enhancements, resulting in professional-looking videos. In addition to its editing capabilities, InShot offers a diverse collection of over 1,000 stickers, funny memes, designer backgrounds, and support for creating stylish photo collages. With these resources at your fingertips, you can quickly and effortlessly make your videos stand out on social media platforms. In just a few minutes, your content will be ready to capture the attention of your audience and leave a lasting impression. Next, we have Filmora. Filmora targets the younger generation by offering a range of features tailored to their preferences. These include dedicated portrait video editing tools, attention-grabbing stickers, captivating effects, expressive emojis, and more. With Filmora, you have access to a vast library of over 1,000 sound effects, 5,000 premium stickers, trendy text styles, and the ability to apply reverse playback to your videos. Additionally, you can easily add backgrounds and adjust the aspect ratio to suit various social media platforms. However, the presence of watermarks and ads can be bothersome, requiring a paid plan for their removal. Next up on our list is VivaVideo. VivaVideo is a popular video editing app for Android that offers a variety of features. With its selection of stickers, distinctive fonts, FX effects, various background effects, and stylish themes, it appeals to the younger generation. VivaVideo prioritizes user-friendly functionality over advanced editing capabilities, making it an ideal choice for beginners. Additionally, the app includes a free TikTok video maker equipped with songs and lyrics, making it perfect for creating trendy short reels or stories. Our next recommendation is GoPro Quik. GoPro Quik may not offer an extensive range of video editing features, but it excels in its AI-powered functionality. By selecting multiple photos and videos, the app intelligently identifies your best moments and enhances them with cinematic effects and music, resulting in a shareable video. This automatic editing feature is particularly beneficial for beginners seeking to create quick videos on the go. For additional video editing capabilities and complete media backup, a paid plan is available. That concludes our list of the best video editing tools for Android. We hope you found this video helpful in discovering new tools to enhance your editing experience. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Share which tool you're excited to try or suggest any other video editing apps you think should be included in this list. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for future uploads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.